All right, so where are we?
We are in Johnston Canyon here in Banff National Park.
Alberta,
Canada.
Alberta, Canada, not Alberta.
Right, just outside of Calgary.
So we got a nice breakfast.
It'd be hard to see because it's so much light. There it is.
There you go. And then we're gonna try it out.
Yep, so this is a, here you go, babe. So this is a Lox Brunch Bowl.
Oh,
And look at that.
Hide it. Hide the sun.
Oh, it's poached.
Hide. Oh yeah.
There you go. Poached eggs with lox, which is salmon, and garlic bread, some arugula. We were gonna try to order like a rabbit dish, but they ran out of rabbit, so that's okay. It happens. So Jude's trying it out, and
really nice.
yeah, it's good. Cool.
We have a long hike, so before that we're just getting some food for us. Is that egg too, or that's cream?
That's egg too.
Oh really? That's nice. I like it.
Yeah, let's see. Nice.
It's nice. It's nothing special, nothing interesting. Very simple. Very simple, very salmonish. You would think this is big, but no.
This is pretty small.
It's pretty small.
But yeah,
I like it.
pretty good.
The salmon is really nice.
Yeah.
Not gone over the thing. It's nice, simple, and clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna try out more food locally here, and we'll let you know how it is. So far, it's a thumbs up for this one. We can't forget we have one more thing.
Yes.
What is this?
It's called the Sweet Thing from Wildflower Cafe, which I got my coffee from today as well. This is a dark chocolate with almond and caramel. It's literally just a rolled up pastry. So, based on Jude's reactions, really good. We bought both of these items from the Banff Avenue downtown. This is good.
We finished it, I had half.
Oh.
So it's really good.
Wow.
The moist, the mouth is full of flavors. So different.
It is.
Oh, I didn't really want to go like it.
Oh. You can take a picture and send it. Oh, gorgeous. Oh. Yay!
So talk, where are we?
Oh. We are in Jasper.
Yeah. So we're gonna get some food we already pre-ordered, and we have some places to camp and eat. And head back to Calgary.
Yeah, and look how cute this little town is.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture of that.
While she's taking photos, I'm gonna check out the place that we were supposed to pick up the food. Do you know which one is it?
The food place that way.
Oh, that way?
Yeah.
Oh, there's more parking there. Here you go.
Oh yeah, Tim Hortons is a famous like breakfast fast food place. Maybe I'll try that when we leave.
But it's all the way here. You wanna come back here?
No, it's all over the. It's like a
This side,
chain.
that side or this side?
I think it's that way.
Where is it?
It's that way. Because I remember when I looked at the coffee shop, it was north. So.
Oh, here's the Amex.
Oh no, that was another one.
Really?
That was my other. Cute, cute. Coco's Cafe.
It's in the right side, but
Oh, that's okay. Oh, look. Enjoying our time. We saw so many animals on the way up here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it was so cool. There it is, Harvest Food and Drink. We're gonna go find Mama. Oops. Hey everybody. What do I always say these people? Oh yeah, good to go. It is. Indescribable. Oh, it's not it, guys. Oh, yeah. Well, that's what we saw, see? Yeah. It's so beautiful.
One,
On the receipt.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! It's like we're on a ride. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm coming. Splash Mountain over here. Oh, it's okay, sir. Excuse me. Oh my god, that was awesome. Let's look at this view. Oh, that was so cool. Wow.
That was fun.
Oh, you're sweet. Sweet.
Go for his birthday.
That's, I mean, it's partially waterproof. Ooh. Another rainbow. Wow, this is so much water, but this is water coming from the snow top.
Yeah, you see the rainbow is just like...
Yeah, it's beautiful. So we were driving here and that's what we saw the mist. So it's not a geyser, but
it was
still
fun.
really cool. Oh, if you want, we could eat right here, but... So stunning.
Water just hit from...
There's our car, and we found a spot. So let's go find Jude. There he is. Hi, baby. Brought the food. Yay! We found a secret spot. Ooh, there's my babe relaxing. No? Oh, hi.
It's a good view, right?
It's great, babe. You look relaxed. What happened? Oh, it's moist, so we sunk in, right?
So I'm gonna stand up here. Okay, so these are not meant to be safe, but I don't know if you guys can see our view in the back. Let me bring you guys more closer to us. Yeah.
Maybe we should be sitting there, but it's okay.
Alright, so it's the nature. I mean, you can see that. It's a beautiful water. And we're gonna try some food.
Yes.
So, first, it's gonna be this. So talk about this, babe.
So this is from Harvest Food and Drink, which is one of the top places to eat here in Jasper, Alberta, Canada. And so this is a brisket meat that has been cooked, or not cooked, sorry, it's been brined and marinated for a week. And it's actually, the style of cooking is from Montreal.
Yeah. I don't like the fries. Right? Okay. So, do you have your phone with you?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a photo. That's for Google. They gave us a knife, but they forgot to give us a fork.
That's it. Here's the picture. There it is. Yum.
So, I'm gonna try that. So this is how. Oh. This is how the inside look like. Hopefully there won't be any bears. We did see some bears.
We did. But I think it was fine.
So we eat fast and leave. So it's a wildlife. It's not like in California that it says wild, you will see bears and you don't. Here you really do. We saw so many animals, right? So we're gonna have this. Not what I thought of. Right?
Me neither.
It's not good.
I mean,
This mustard.
It's
Okay.
almost like pastrami.
This turned out to be a disappointment.
Yeah, not what I imagined. But, you know, that's why we have a few more days to keep eating and exploring.